In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find saved drafts on Facebook app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, and then first off let me create a post. I can hit right here where it says what's on your mind, and then I can start creating my post. I can add there some text, some pictures, locations, all that stuff, and then let's say I want to save this post as draft. All I have to do is just tap at that cross icon, and it allows me to save draft or to discard that post or to keep editing. I can hit add to save draft, and then it says that this post was saved as draft. And now if we want to find our saved drafts, all we have to do is just tap where it says what's on your mind again, and that will open up our draft. We can even close Facebook app and then open it up again, and it still allows us to continue editing that post. Just keep in mind that Facebook app allows us to save just one single draft. So if we go here and then change that text and then save the draft, that will replace previous draft, and then if we hit right there, we can continue editing the last saved draft. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.